What's going down? It's Matt with Smoke Game Strong. Today we got another episode of the Smoke Show. It's the Smoke Show on the road, baby. So we're here at Interstellar BBQ. It's up north, Austin. Man, this place is literally out of this world barbecue. Like, no joke. Everything here on the menu is phenomenal. The sides are insane. Let's go in and get a platter so I can show you what I'm talking about. So we are here at Interstellar. Man, Chef John Bates is great. He does phenomenal everything. So you will see her soon. Let's get it. We're here at Interstellar with Chef Pitmaster John Bates. We got a crazy killer spread. Looks phenomenal.
Thank you.
So what do we all got going on here today?
All my favorite things for some of my favorite people. Brisket, of course, you always start there. Our peach tea glazed pork belly, which is one of our signature items nowadays. A couple links of sausage. We got an all beef kielbasa made out of prime brisket, black pepper, paprika, and garlic. We've got our jalapeno popper sausage, which is pretty nice too. A little bit of pulled pork. And then on the special, we're doing rib tips with the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. And then a nice spread of sides, scalloped potatoes, slaw, potato salad, all my favorite things.
Man, let me tell you, from the meats to the sides, this place is out of this world. That's why it's Interstellar, because the barbecue is just on another planet. Highly, highly recommended. Valley over here, it's definitely her favorite place to eat. So we're gonna get down on this. Let's get it. I'm gonna start with the sausage because that's what they say you should start with. So we got an all beef sausage right here. Oh man.
I'm gonna try one of these.
You're in.
I saw him pour that stuff on top of it.
That's
Now my
insane.
mouth watered.
It's insane.
Wow.
Sausage is juicy. So that's a peach tea glazed pork belly. Look at that thing, dude. I don't know how he cuts them like that. I tried to cut some the other day. Mine looks so beat up. It was not even. It was not even square. I don't even know how he even does that.
Wow. That was so good.
Look at that glaze.
It's so thick.
So he poured it on at the
Sweet.
end too.
Oh
Rib tip looks.
no. This is dangerous.
Oh, I've never had a rib tip.
Mm.
Oh wow. The jalapeno is so good.
What do you think of the mustard sauce? Are you a fan?
Wait, what has mustard sauce?
That's his
I don't think
mustard.
I've tried that yet.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
What did you just try? You just tried the sausage?
This?
Pork belly? Look at that thing.
Oh gosh. Oh yeah.
This brisket just looks so perfect.
Oh yeah.
And guess what? It is. Wow, man, it's so good. I wish it was closer to my house. It's my only complaint. I wish it was closer to my house. Man, I'm going in on that pork belly now.
It's so tender. So soft.
It's not even fair. You guys haven't even tried the sides yet. And the sides are just the same as a star of a show. What are these smoked scallop potatoes? So what is this potato salad?
Oh.
Do you know what it is? What is it called? Just potato salad. Didn't know if it was like a dill something.
Wow.
I feel like the first thing that you taste on a platter is the item that you're most excited about.
Which one were you most excited about?
I went in for the peach pork
Yeah.
belly.
That's what you were most excited
But
about
most
today?
of the time I go in for sides because I'm stoked on them.
So good.
Oh, there's two sausages.
Yeah, there's two sauces.
What's this one?
This is an all beef brisket,
Is it kielbasa? No.
an all beef kielbasa, beef kielbasa.
Wow.
Okay.
I think so. Yeah, that's what he chops up into the torta. Yeah, with brisket. Slaw's good, man. It's spicy. You gotta try it.
Take your word for it.
No, you gotta try it, man. I'm telling you, try it. He's not a veggie person. So I mean, like I put my pickled stuff and gave him a taco. He's like looking at me like, man, I wouldn't have put that on
Yeah,
there.
that was good.
Trust me, it's spicy. You'll like this. I'm telling you. And then you get a little piece of bread.
Oh, that is so good.
Do a
That
little
sausage is
pulled
really good.
pork.
I forgot about pork.
Pulled pork, sando. I
It's
wonder.
like-
I'm gonna go. Baby, hand me with that Texas barbecue sauce, the red one. Yeah.
I feel like it's not easy to get a good potato salad, but they nail it.
I know.
Like there's so many places you can go wrong with it, but
I like. You know how sometimes when you look at potato salad, it doesn't. It's like beat up potatoes. I like how this is like a red potato and they're very pretty still. You know what I'm
I think
saying?
it's because often they're overboiled.
Yeah, usually it just looks like a beat up potato. I like this because it's like gourmet looking potato salad still, you know?
I think skin on potato salad is
Mm-hmm.
my favorite type.
I'm impressed by everything this guy does. It's definitely one of my favorite places for sure. Slaw spicy. Do you have some?
Uh-huh. Oh,
It's so good.
so Matt and I, after we have barbecue, every time we always say, "What was the star of the show?"
Yeah, like,
And we like discuss it in detail.
yeah, like it could be anything. I mean, it could be the pickle. You know what I mean? Because you're just like, man, the pickle was just like tied it all together. You know?
I'm gonna say that pizza sauce.
I
No, I'm just like I'm trying to get everything to get it. It's so good. It's so good.
it's ridiculous.
Mine is the slaw. And I think that speaks volumes.
It's got a kick
When a
today.
barbecue is hot, when their side is the star of the show, to me that's a win because you can't forget about the side. The fact that
Yeah.
it shines.
Yeah.
To me, I really like the potato salad today too. Just the
Oh, definitely.
Wow.
rushness and I mean, like as a side,
Uh-huh.
Slaw's, it's kicking today. It's got a kick. I'm into that savory today.
I hear that.
Yeah.
I
This
really.
is- This is all really good. What is this?
Blondie, a butterscotch blondie.
A butterscotch
Oh,
blonde. I'm sure he smoked that, made it. Yeah.
That's good.
It smells like butterscotch.
I'm like, can you give me some lessons, please?
No way. This is so good.
I didn't think it was going to be that gooey on the inside.
Thought it would be drier.
And he would come, John gave me shit about it all the time. Like, John, I want my beets to be like an apple. I want to bite into it like a Granny Smith apple. I'm like, okay, John.
I always like the few times I'm like, oh, let me just wrap these and throw them in the fire, you know, in foil. And then I would go and grab them. They would be overcooked. They'd already be dried out. And I'm like, man, I left them in there for too long, you know?
Beets are funny too because they go from being like perfect to overcooked.
I never,
Sugar.
yeah. Every time that I try to do them, like, just wrap them up in foil. When I pulled them out, they're like, I grab them, you know, with the things, and I'm like, damn, I messed them up again. So yeah.
Are we supposed to peel it before you boil it?
We would peel them afterwards. That's how we knew they were done. Was we would cook them, and if they were tender enough with a wooden dowel or a rod, and then the skin you could like kind of push it off with your thumbs.
Oh, okay, so boiled whole.
Yeah, boil whole with the skin, and then peel while they were still warm. And we'd let them sit for a few minutes, and then we'd start peeling them right then. Let them cool down, and then afterwards we would dice them up into cubes and marinate them in a sour orange vinaigrette. Yeah, because there's a lot of sour orange in Cuban food.
Yeah. We love
They were
Cuban
super
food.
simple, but they were really, really good.
Yeah, we went to Miami, you know, here and there. We haven't went it lately, but the place was on Eater. It's like a husband and wife little place. It's called like San Gio something, but like I seen it on Eater and I was like, oh, this place we went. And I'm like, of course they're on Eater, you know, like it was
I love
super small and it was just phenomenal. Yeah, we've been to that one on South Congress, Habana.
I mean, every place I've gone to here, it's always just kind of ho-hum.
Yeah.
And it doesn't like get
I know
me
I haven't been back, so there you go. You know, I mean, not that it wasn't good, but it wasn't that. And I was like,
when we went to
ooh.
Miami a couple years ago, we went to the same Cuban cafe, like 4 times. You know, we went for breakfast and dinner, and I couldn't get enough of it. You know, Cuban sandwiches and all the sides and the black beans and the Spanish.
I went
stuff like that.
when the times that I've been, I always went over to Little Havana and went to Versailles. It's like the oldest one. It's been there for like 7 years, like an old, but like I always went there and then just get the platter thing, which has a little bit of everything.
Like
But they,
anything, and it looks terrifying.
Yeah, they're pretty rowdy looking.
but yeah, I just get the platter. You know, it comes with croquetas, things, the beans, the meat. So it's just literally, you know, and then you get the mojito with the sugar cane in it, and it's just like this is great.
I wish somebody would open up a really legit dope ass Cuban place here.
Totally.
With a full bar and a full like coffee setup too. Because I love Cuban coffees. Cuban coffee culture. So
With the Cojalita or something.
Yeah, we was going to the same place, like wake up out of the hotel, I'm like, all right, let's get that coffee again.
it was an interesting place for me to land because I landed at that place in like 2001, so that was kind of pre like chefs getting all excited about like the odd bits and nose to tell cooking. So I was really blown away. I didn't think I was going to stay at that job because I went out there and I wanted to work in like a fine dining kind of joint, but I couldn't find a job, so I took a position at this Cuban place. And I was like, yeah, I'll work here for a bit, and when the right spot opens up, I'll move out. And then I ended up working there for almost 3 years. So, wow. And they did torturas and croquetas, and they had a full Cuban bakery in the basement.
Yep.
And a full Cuban coffee bar. And
Yep,
I roll in
Versailles
the
had the
morning, I
bakery.
get a cafe con leche and guava cream cheese and panada and start my day.
That sounds like the perfect way to start.
It was
your day.
an awesome way to start the day. It
man.
was so cool. And you know, the staff there was so nice, so when I'd get there, without even asking, a great cafe con leche would show up in the kitchen and I'd grab my little pastry.
Hey man, great stuff today. Great to see you again.
Thank you.
If you haven't been to Interstellar, I'm telling you right now, you have to come here. Try everything. Don't be scared. Catch you guys next time. We got some new shirts, some new hats ready on smokeaimstrong.com. Go get you some. Peace.
Take it.
Yeah. She's like, if you're going, she was like running around, I'm like, I don't know where I might go. She's like, if you're going to Interstellar, then I'm coming. So I'll leave the gym now if you're going there. I was like, all right, just head home and we'll go then, you know.